been lost and alone in the city of lights. I know, getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights. I know, but I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
My head in my hands, listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, I'll love you, that's on you. Better shape up and pay your dues. I'll love you, that's on you. I'll be on a flight soon to the end, I'm singing, ooh. Gotta know all this propaganda, how do you do? Better get it in my own medicine for you. Never gonna make them think I'll stand more. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, all that loose, don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, all that loose, don't mind if I do. Free as the wind and as strong as a piece of amber. Give me a breath like the fire you'll soon remember. Ooh. I'll be on the flight soon till the end, I'm singing, ooh. Gotta know all this propaganda, how do you do? For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, all that loose, don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, all that loose, don't mind if I do. Don't mind
say we can't, oh, just don't say another word. These thoughts you've imagined aren't real, aren't adding up. You fetched your ideas from nowhere, all from another world. Your logic's impaired, your full picture is cropped. 'Cause we both know